This is another episode of free online courses, and this is Google Digital Garage free courses that are available online on Google. How would it be when you have certificates from Google, free certificate from Google, like the largest search engine in the world? You can use that certificate anywhere. So let's dive into it. I've actually done fundamental of digital marketing course on this platform, and trust me, it is amazing. I did that course for about a week because it has lot of models, and I enjoyed doing it. And they gave me certificates, and of which people have been giving me accolades. Wow, this is wonderful, this is good. And I was able to set up my agency business. Okay, let's dive into it. So this is my own my own profile. Okay, there are about 146 courses on this platform. So I did fundamental of digital marketing, and get a business online is part of fundamental of digital marketing. Okay, so these are the courses that I did during my own program, my own studies, and it's actually amazing. So let me just browse other courses that are available so you can see what I'm saying. So the URL for this page is learndigital.withgoogle.com/digital garage. So these are the courses. We have fundamental of digital marketing, we have get a business online, we have make sure customers find you, of which I've done, promote a business online advertising, expand a business to other countries, and we also have connect with customers over mobile. So let's just load more. There are a lot of courses that are available here. So this one is promote a business with content. This one is understand customers' needs and online behaviors. Okay, these ones are just form of digital marketing processes. So this one is, if you already have a certificate and you don't know how to get a job, you don't know how to convince people to hire you, to give you a job. So this one is land your next job. So you can just check it out and see how it is. This one is understand the basis of code. So for people who are interested in coding, so you can just check this out, studies, and get certified. So it's how to increase productivity at work. This one is understand the basis of machine learning for those who want to know more about machine and their algorithm and the indexes and all of that. This one is improve your online business security. If you want to protect your website, want to protect your whatever it is that you do online that you want to protect. So this one is intro to digital well-being. This one is effective networking. This one is business communication. A lot of people don't know how to communicate business with people. Who does that? You have a business and you don't know how to communicate your business with other people, and how to convince them to patronize you. You need to do this course. Communicate your ideas through storytelling and designs. Okay, this one is speaking in public. I'm actually a victim of this. I don't know how to speak in public. I'm always very shy, and taking this course won't be a bad idea for me. So let's just see how this one looks like. So when you go, yes, okay, this is the interface. So this one has about just a model, which is not plenty. A model, once you read it, a model. Okay, let's speaking in public. Okay, this is how the thing is. So they show you videos and all of that. This is video that you're going to listen to, and I think they have sections, lessons by lessons. They have discover the speaker in you, define the objective of your speech, master your body language, eliminate verbal tics, and all of that. So you can as well check this out. Okay, so let's go back and check other courses that are available. Okay, let me show you the fundamental of digital marketing course I actually did and the modules that are available. Like, okay, about 26 model. So if you want to own an agency business, you want to know about digital marketing, how to manage websites, how to sell to people online, yada 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 yada. But this one is actually good for you. I've earned a lot of badges. So can you imagine? I didn't even realize I earned a lot of badges. The online opportunity, your first steps in online success, build your web presence, plan online business strategy, and get started with search, get discover research, and all of that. So this course is actually the badges are actually much. So this course is what you want to look out for if you are interested, if you want to learn more about digital marketing. And you can chat me up. I will leave my chats URL below. I'll also leave the URL of this page below so that you can go through it, check it out, and see how it is. Let's just load more courses. Okay, we have checked this one's out. Okay, we have checked this one's out. No, I'm not doing that. It's just starting from the beginning. Can you imagine? Maybe because it's on a mobile. If it was to be on our desktop, I'm not sure it's gonna be acting like this. Loading up from the beginning. It should load up from where it stopped. So I just want to show you more courses that you can do. There are coding on this platform that you can learn if you're interested in coding. A lot of coding. Okay, I think this one is science well-being. Okay, let me check. Google Cloud Platform Fundamentals. If you want to know more about Google Cloud and how they operate, this one is Google Cloud Platform Big Data and Machine Learning Fundamentals. So this one has about 7 modules. You should check it out. Machine Learning crash course. If you're a science student or you're a tech person, you like all this teching stuff, so you can just go for it. And this one is the element of AI. Those are for okay, this one is technical support fundamentals. All this coding, they are coding courses. So this one is customer segmentation and prospecting. This one is about customer. Fundamental of graphic design for people that love to design. So you can just check this out. And this one is conflict transformation. This one is inspiring leadership through emotional intelligence. Okay, this one is foundation of everyday leadership. This one is securing digital democracy. There are lots of courses that you can do here.